That feeling you're waiting for? That surge of motivation? It's not coming. You relied on it yesterday and it failed you. You're waiting for it now, scrolling this video, hoping for a magic spark that will override your exhaustion and your apathy. Motivation is a corrupted file. It's a cheap, unreliable power source, and you have built your entire operating system on top of it. Your system is designed to fail. You've been told discipline is about grit, about pushing through. That's a half-truth. That's the mindset of a laborer, not an engineer. Discipline is not a feeling you muster. It is a program you run. In my world, a critical system, a power grid, a financial exchange, cannot run on motivation. It cannot decide if it feels like working today. It runs on code. Cold, logical, non-negotiable execution code. It just works. The problem isn't your body. The problem is your code. It's full of bugs. It's full of if statements that lead to exit. If tired, then skip. If busy, then quit. We are here to do more than motivate you. We are here to give you the blueprint. We are going to delete your corrupted code, the doubt, the excuses, the negotiations, and we are going to replace it with a clean, efficient execution code. This is a total system re-engineering. We will reprogram your response to resistance. The gym is not the goal. The gym is the compiler. It's the environment where we test and harden this new code. This blueprint will rebuild your mind first. Your body will simply follow the new instructions. This is how you become the man who executes, not the man who hesitates. The first pillar is the source code. This is the architecture of your intent. Your current code is a mess. It's spaghetti code written on the fly by your emotions. I'll go when I feel like it. I'll eat clean if I have time. This is weak logic. This code is full of bugs. We call them excuses. And these bugs create system-wide crashes, procrastination, apathy, failure. A proper execution code is written in the language of clarity. It is simple, binary, and non-negotiable. It is written once, in a moment of total logic, the night before, or at 5 a.m. when you are the architect of your life. You are the architect. This new code looks like this. 6 p.m. is iron time. This is not a negotiation. It is a line item on the project schedule. The project is me. This task is critical path. This is the if-then protocol, but we rewrite the then. Your old code, if I am tired. Your new code, if I am tired, then I will execute the warm-up protocol. My body does not dictate the schedule. The schedule dictates my body. The code is law. This transfers directly to your professional life, operator. A high-value man does not feel his way through a project. He defines the deliverables. He writes the project plan. He commits to the timeline. Your old code. If this project is hard, your new code. If this project is hard, then I will break it into 3 subtasks and execute the first one. Now, the gym is your compiler. It's where you test this code daily. You walk up to the squat rack. Your emotional brain, the old buggy code, screams, "This is heavy, we are tired, let's quit." But the new code cuts in. Executing. Squat protocol version 2. Non-negotiable. Run the program. This is not about being a robot. It's about being the programmer of the robot, instead of being a slave to your flawed emotional hardware. If you understand this first pillar, that you must write the code before you can run the program, your first act of execution is required. Hit the like button. This is not for an algorithm, it is a commit. It is you pushing the first version of your new source code from draft to master. You are acknowledging that you are the engineer, not the machine. Commit the code. The second pillar is the compiler. This is the process of execution. Having clean code is not enough. You must run it. This is where 99% of men fail. They have the plan, the gym membership, the new shoes, the written program. But when it's time to compile, they get an error. The error is friction. The error is comfort. The error is the negotiation. Stop negotiating with weakness. The execution code is designed to bypass this negotiation. It is an automated response. The alarm goes off. You do not hit snooze. You do not analyze your feelings. You execute command, stand up. You do not debate the gym. You execute command, drive to gym. This is the principle of automation. In engineering, we automate the most critical tasks to remove the single greatest point of failure: human emotion. Automate your discipline. The gym is the perfect environment for this. It is a closed system. The variables are simple: you and the iron. The code is simple: lift the iron. Every rep is a successful line of code. Every set is a completed function. Every workout is the program running successfully. You are building proof. This is how you build a high-performance career, sculptor. The most valuable people in any organization are not the most talented. They are the most reliable. They are the ones who, when given a task, execute the code. Be the reliable one. While others are ideating or waiting for inspiration, you are shipping the product. You are closing the deal. You are solving the client's problem. You are the man who runs his code every single day, regardless of the weather. The iron teaches you this. The 300-pound bar does not care about your feelings. It does not care about your excuses. It only responds to the execution of the protocol. When you feel the desire to quit mid-set, that is a bug. The code is more one rep. You find the bug, you override it. Override. Execute. You are not pushing through pain. You are debugging your hardware in real time. You are teaching your body at a cellular level that the code is in charge. Not the fatigue, not the fear. The final pillar is refactoring. This is the legacy. In software development, you never just finish the code. You refactor it, you optimize it, you run diagnostics, find the memory leaks, find the inefficiencies, and you make it better. A routine is code that never gets better. It's Windows 95. It's legacy software that is slow, buggy, and crashes all the time. Stop running legacy software. Your execution code is a living document. This is what separates the amateur from the professional. The amateur finishes the workout. The professional reviews the data. Your training log is your diagnostic report. You look at it. My squat stalled at 225. Why? This is not failure. This is data. The bug isn't in the squat command. The bug is in the inputs. You investigate. Sleep protocol equal 5 hours. Nutrition protocol equal insufficient. Find the bug. Fix the code. You refactor. You update the code. Sleep input must be 7 hours minimum. Protein input must be 1 gram per pound. You run the program again. The squat moves to 230. This is the process of building an unbreakable man. It is a constant, intelligent cycle of execution, analysis, and optimization. This is how you build an empire builder. You don't just launch a company and go on vacation. You live in the data. You analyze the sales funnel. You optimize the marketing spend. You refactor the team. Execute. Analyze. Optimize. The gym is your daily practice. It is your quarterly review, every single day. It teaches you to be an objective engineer of your own life, not a passive victim of your circumstances. The man who refactors his code becomes stronger, faster, and more efficient. The man who just runs the same old buggy routine stays the same. He decays. You are built to adapt. Your legacy is not the one perfect workout. Your legacy is the process of optimization itself. It's the identity of a man who relentlessly improves his own source code. This is the discipline blueprint. It is the end of motivation and the beginning of engineering. You stop waiting for a feeling. You write the source code based on pure cold logic. You stop negotiating. You build the compiler that automates your execution and bypasses emotion. You stop stagnating. You master the art of refactoring, using data to optimize your system relentlessly. Code, compile, refactor. This is the execution code. This is the program that builds a physique of armor and a mind of forged steel. The choice is simple, engineer. Remain a user, running someone else's buggy, motivational software, or become the master programmer of your own protocol. The blueprint is now yours. To install this new operating system, your final 2 commands are required. First, subscribe to this channel. This is your access to the central repository. This is your enlistment in a legion of men who build, not just wish. Second, go to the comments and commit your new function. Write, execution code, engaged. This is your final pack. This is you hitting enter. This is the program going live. The console is open. The command line is waiting. Run the code.